Hello everyone. The topic for today is compare annual salaries. Right now I want you to pause the video so you can copy down your notes and then resume when you're ready. A few things that I want to point out. First is the lifetime income. That is the total amount of a worker is paid during his or her working career. So a lot of the problems that you'll see for this unit have to do with the number of years that a person works. So it could be 5 years, 20 years, 30 years, 50 years. And then hourly versus salary, those type of employees. An hourly employee makes a certain amount of money based on how many hours they work. So if they work, 5 hours, they get paid less than if they worked 40 hours. So the more you work, the more money you're going to make. The less you work, the less money you're going to make. That's different from a salaried employee, where a salaried employee is going to make the same amount of money regardless of how many hours they work. Now, at the surface level, some people may say that the salary job doesn't sound very appealing, but when you get down to the numbers, the salaried employees usually end up making more. Now, there are definitely some exceptions, but the goal is to get a salaried job. Looking at some example problems, number 1. So we have to determine the lifetime income. So if someone makes $51,530 and they work for 35 years, to find that lifetime income, we're going to take $51,530 and we're going to multiply it by 35. Once we multiply that, we get 1,803,550. So that is their lifetime income, and we're always going to assume that the salary stayed the same. Might not be the case in real life, but that's what we're doing for these problems. Number 2, very similar type of problem. We're going to take 50,500 and multiply it by 40. And we get 2,020,000, which means that D is the correct answer. Now I want you to solve questions 3 and 4. Couple of tips for those. The starting age and the ending age, you need to subtract those in order to find how long that person worked. So you would need to subtract, for number 3, 67 minus 24. That answer is going to give you the number to multiply by the salary, which is $61,242. Bring those answers along with any questions that you may have with you to class tomorrow.